Install video time. This bad boy. We've been holding this for a while. We have a shift boot with IN.FOCUS, collaboration piece with Primal. We're gonna install on this car. First off, we gotta pull this car out because this car is in the way of getting into the door on this one. The car is out of the garage. Let's introduce you to Caesar, the man behind IN.FOCUS.
What's going on, guys? We're about to install this boot from Mike.
Yes, finally.
Finally.
This beautiful boot was designed by this man. This goes in the car. He's gonna install it. I'll film it. We'll have some fun with this. And the car is dirty, but still sparkling. Okay, so Caesar just said that this takes, he do this in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
A 5-minute boot challenge. Can you do it? Okay, so you can set up all your tools.
What tools?
We'll get the car. There's no tools?
No tools.
Oh my gosh, there's not even no tools.
No tools.
5 minutes. I'm gonna, hold on, get my phone. Okay, so no tools, he said. We'll get in the car first. I'll kind of set up with you guys right now. What do you need me to move out of the way? Nothing? God, hold on. What do you want me to move out of the way?
If you want to get really technical, you would go like removing all this stuff.
Yeah, but you got the shortcut to this?
But you got the shortcut.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn on this. Hold on. He's gonna unpack this real quick.
Should I be gentle or should I just be aggressive?
Just manhandle it. The one thing that's not in here that we will add in there is a Primal sticker for you guys.
Primal.
So right now, let's go ahead and do a little unboxing. Dang, look at that. This doesn't count as a 5 minutes. You got a sick IN.FOCUS sticker. Everyone puts it here. Everyone puts it there usually. And then you got a nice decal right here. You can slap it all over your car. And then you do have instructions here. Okay, we're gonna set 5 minutes. Are you ready? He's gonna unscrew the knob. He's gonna do everything.
If I do it under 3 minutes, you know me, a Primal driven shirt.
Damn. Okay, so 5 minutes. Ready, set, go. I don't think he can do this. What is he doing? What is he doing? Joke's on you. I super glued it. No, I'm just kidding.
I was like, what? Did you really?
No. You just gotta figure it out.
What? Use this all.
I don't know what I did to this.
What did you do to it?
I don't know. You tell me.
You busted it. It's crazy glued. Maybe not 5 minutes. There you go.
Ooh, he got it. So this is the shortcut to this. Oh, lady's gonna interrupt me filming. Hold on 1 second. Okay.
All right, pause.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Good. Neighbor just dropped him off mail. Okay. You stopped.
I stopped.
We're still 4 minutes.
What?
Go ahead. What you got? Okay.
Boom.
Dang, what a pro. What a pro. So these are universal, right?
Yeah.
So do you have a universal one? I have a different one because it's specifically for the Subaru. But most of them all of them are universal ones. So they fit the same way. Do you cut them or anything?
Yeah, you'd have to cut them to your exact car specs.
Okay.
Each car has a set of it comes with like a plastic frame, you want to call it. Okay. And
sweet. So plastic frame, you cut them, you can put them in, you can slide them in so they can stay.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. I like that idea. That way you guys, because you guys are like Subaru owners all the way to like Evo, to Mustang owners, to Camaros and all the random cars. So this gives you the opportunity to get the boot and just kind of customize it to your own. Literally doesn't take that much work. It's just a couple snips here and there. And there's funny stories. And when I was in high school, I used to do this.
What?
Yeah, I used to do it. That was in high school though.
High school.
If I knew anything. So then, man, what time is it? 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. Okay, so he puts it in. Damn. Are you freaking serious? Are you done?
Done.
Are you freaking done? 2 minutes and 40. Put the shift now, bud.
Oh,
2 minutes and I say 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Damn, you did it under what? Under 3 minutes. Woo! Holy
exhausted.
Shit. That okay. This deserves.
Put the stress on it.
Yeah, I know, right? It deserves a cinematic. Let me show you. Against the porcelain where you occupy my space. And let's get you wet with dim arms again. I can't believe he freaking finished this in under 3 minutes, dude. You did it literally under 3 minutes.
I told you, dude.
My math is correct.
You crazy glued it though, so.
Yeah, and you had a little problems with it too, but this turned out nice.
Bro, mine's cake. You should see mine.
What a pro. Okay, so for the average guy, how long do you think it'll take him to do it?
like 20 minutes at the most.
At the most. That's removing the entire console.
Yeah, removing the whole center console.
So if they do it like this on the Subaru, smooth.
Like 10 minutes, bro. 10
smooth.
minutes. It's all plug and play.
Damn.
It's already pre-cut to OEM specs. Perfect.
What a boss. What a freaking boss. It feels nice too. This material is different from the ones I've seen. He just said thick and durable, and that's what she said.
Thick and durable.
We're gonna go see his shift boot. It's gonna be the Primo one and his ride.
Primal.
Holy crap, look at that. Damn. Damn. Damn, look at that knob though. Man, look at this. He scuffed it. Wow. The boot's nice, dude. So how often do you change boots? Since you own the company.
Every other day.
Damn.
Pretty much.
Damn.
Photo, everything.
I should wrap mine too, because mine is all looking crappy now.
You should.
That's pretty cool. That is freaking awesome.
Here's what.
So you offer these online too?
What, the e-brakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Damn. That's the e-brake boot?
You can tell the difference.
Oh, I see, I see.
Basically what the e-brake boot is just the boot and then without the frame, and then you just glue it just to get it nice and clean.
That's crazy. Yeah, I never knew that it actually went down that far, like right here.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's a nice touch though.
It tucks it in.
Do you make universal ones for this?
Yeah, we do.
Shit. We might have to do one. We have to might do one for a Primal.
I'm telling you, dude, we should have done like the whole bundle.
If I knew you did this, we would have done this.
This is what we specialize in.
This is cool. I like the knob. I think
We are.
Yeah, yeah, we are.
So
we're gonna do a nice special collab piece for a shift knob. He has some sick ass shift knobs, better than mine too. So we'll get one going. Ooh, I love round bows.
Bows.
Look at this. Damn. That shit. Oh, gold. Come on.
It was rose gold.
Rose gold. Let me just take this home.
Take it.
Damn, look at that one. When'd you get these?
There's some stuff that I have to like do because.
Super secret, huh?
Yeah, the thing was that.
Prototypes?
Yeah, the thing was that the guy messed it up. He ended up the inner one, the inner thing. It doesn't fully tight in.
Eh.
It gets stuck, dude.
Primo stuff only. That's good. At least you're R&Ding it and not just releasing to the public.
Yeah.
I like this. Oh, look at this. So the difference between a lot of companies is they don't have this bottom. What do you call this? It's like a retainer, right?
Yeah, it's a retainer, yeah.
So it retains the boot to the knob, so you don't get a saggy knob like this.
Yeah.
So this is why I like his stuff. You get the extra stuff that makes it a little bit more expensive on cost, but it's better for you guys.
Yeah.
Look at this. See, it isn't. You don't get saggy sack. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
So here's the shift boot. I didn't get to show you guys because we were busy racing, but it's actually really thick. There's this webbing inside that makes it a lot thicker. It's not like some cheap cloth, which is what I really like. It has this ring also that if you guys have a shift knob with that retainer clip, it'll keep it up on the boot or on the knob. So I really like the quality of this. The stitching is freaking awesome. There's doubled here and there's doubled here. That's the things you want to look for. And this is tucked inside the ring. And actually there's a lot of like flap that goes inside so it won't come up on you. Nice little details on the Primal one. I approve the quality. It's freaking great. Caesar's been a friend for a long time, but I would not recommend him if I didn't like his quality. It's gonna be available right now as you guys watch this video. So grab it. We have a very limited amount. If you guys do want more of it, then we can try to get a production run going. But that's about it. Universal boot. So if you guys have whatever car you guys can install in your car, some installs will be a little bit different, but super easy to do. But thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully the how-to quick challenge for you guys was pretty good. Thanks for watching. Check out IN.FOCUSclothing.com. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time in another vlog. Later.